Choosing the right display equipment can transform any learning environment into an engaging space. The best projector for classroom use delivers crisp visuals, bright colors, and reliable performance, ensuring students stay focused and teachers can present lessons more effectively. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ELEPHAS Bluetooth Classroom Projector. The ELEPHAS Bluetooth Classroom Projector offers an exceptional blend of brightness, clarity, and smart functionality, making it ideal for classrooms, lecture halls, or multi-purpose rooms. Boasting 4K resolution and a 1000 ANSI lumen rating, the projector delivers vibrant, highly detailed visuals with a rich color spectrum, achieving up to 20,000 lux of color fidelity. Its precision-engineered glass lenses ensure even image distribution and eliminate edge blur, allowing text, diagrams, and videos to remain crisp and legible from any viewing angle. Flexibility is a key strength, as it supports Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and over 100,000 other applications via a built-in app store, removing the need for external devices. Whether streaming educational content or hosting multimedia presentations, the ELEPHAS projector delivers smooth performance with minimal setup. Advanced connectivity options, including dual-band 5G/2.4G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.2, allow seamless mirroring from smartphones, tablets, and laptops, while wireless audio pairing with headphones or speakers enhances the classroom experience. Its built-in stereo speakers with Dolby sound provide rich, immersive audio, eliminating the need for external systems. Setup is effortless thanks to its AI-assisted autofocus and plus 30-degree auto keystone correction, which automatically adjusts the image for perfect clarity and alignment. Number 2. ONOAYO Autofocus Classroom Projector. The ONOAYO Autofocus Classroom Projector is a cutting-edge smart projector built to deliver seamless performance and effortless usability in educational settings. Featuring the newly designed Smart TV Pro OS, the ONOAYO 3 Pro uses AI-driven algorithms and a next-gen processing chip to provide millisecond-level responsiveness, enabling instant boot-up and smooth multitasking across applications. This ensures teachers can switch between presentations, streaming services, and interactive apps without delays, saving valuable class time. Its 4K resolution combined with advanced image processing delivers razor-sharp visuals with vivid colors and exceptional contrast, making content easily readable from any seat in the classroom. The projector is fully compatible with Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Apple TV, Disney+, Live TV, and over 1.2 million other videos, allowing educators to access a wide range of instructional and entertainment content without relying on extra devices. ONOAYO's AI Auto Environmental Adaptive Pro system automatically adjusts focus, keystone, orientation, and screen fit in just 3 seconds, even on tilted or irregular surfaces. This ensures every presentation or video appears perfectly aligned, reducing the need for manual setup and allowing for flexible projector placement, including ceiling, side, or tabletop projection. Number 3. Lisowod 30-watt Classroom Projector. The Lisowod 30-watt Classroom Projector represents the next generation of smart projectors designed for education and professional use. Equipped with the innovative Movin 2.0 smart operating system and a high-performance Silicon Valley design chip, this projector offers smooth and stable operation, reducing lag and enhancing multitasking capabilities by up to 75%. Its 4K resolution and AI Pro technology ensure clear, vibrant visuals that keep students engaged, whether displaying text, images, or videos. One of its most notable features is its built-in app ecosystem, providing one-click access to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and millions of other streaming options, eliminating the need for external media devices. For classroom versatility, the Lisowod projector offers instant, hands-free setup with AI-driven spatial perception that auto-corrects projection orientation and detects installation positioning, including front, rear, or ceiling mounts. Its 3-second autofocus and dynamic obstacle avoidance ensure consistently sharp and unobstructed images even in complex classroom layouts. Audio performance is robust for its size, delivering clear sound for presentations or media playback. Compact and portable, the projector can be moved or installed with ease, allowing educators to adapt it to different teaching environments. Number 4. YOWHICK 4K Classroom Projector. The YOWHICK 4K Classroom Projector brings theater-quality performance to the educational environment with a focus on clarity, brightness, and convenience. With a native 1920 by 1080 resolution and enhanced high-contrast optics, this projector produces detailed, vivid images with reduced eye strain, making long lectures and presentations easier to follow. Its Netflix-certified streaming support provides direct access to educational and entertainment content without relying on external devices like Roku or Fire TV, while compatibility with Prime Video, YouTube, and over 1 million additional videos ensures a versatile multimedia experience. The projector supports projection sizes from 40 to 400 inches, paired with plus or minus 15 degrees keystone correction and zoom functionality, allowing educators to achieve the ideal image size and alignment effortlessly. Connectivity options are extensive, including Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, HDMI, USB, AV, TF, and a 3.5mm headphone port, enabling connection to laptops, phones, gaming consoles, and audio devices. Its built-in hi-fi speaker system and Bluetooth audio capabilities deliver clear, immersive sound, enhancing multimedia presentations without the need for external speakers. Whether used for classroom lessons, seminars, or interactive sessions. Number 5. HAPPRUN Indoor Classroom Projector. The HAPPRUN Indoor Classroom Projector is engineered to provide a seamless, high-performance experience for educators and students alike. Featuring AI smart screen adjustment with autofocus and 6D auto keystone technology, it delivers a perfectly rectangular image within 5 seconds of startup, eliminating tedious manual alignment. Its 4K support and 2000 ANSI lumen brightness produce sharp, clear visuals with a 20,000:1 contrast ratio and 95% color gamut, making text, images, and video highly readable even in bright classroom environments. The projector's bidirectional Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity and built-in 8W hi-fi speaker system provide rich, immersive audio, allowing presentations, instructional videos, or music to be enjoyed without additional equipment. Wi-Fi 6 integration enables low-latency wireless screen mirroring for both iOS and Android devices, supporting smooth and uninterrupted projection for classroom lessons or group activities. The HAPPRUN projector's portability and flexible installation options, including tabletop, wall, or ceiling mounting, make it adaptable to any teaching environment. Its AI-driven obstacle avoidance and auto screen alignment ensure optimal projection even in challenging classroom layouts. With a combination of superior brightness, color accuracy, smart connectivity, and fast, easy setup, the HAPPRUN Indoor Classroom Projector is an ideal solution for modern classrooms seeking high-quality, reliable projection technology that enhances both teaching and learning experiences. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.